When you log into your portal, you will land on the My Claims dashboard. From here you can view existing claims or register a new one, which is what we will do now. Clicking Make New Claim will start the new claim. This will be broken down into steps. The amount of steps required to complete will vary depending on what the type of claim is and what is damaged. Starting with step 1, you will need to search for the policy you want. You will need to input date of loss, incident time, if known, what the type of policy it is, and whether this is a block or a scheme. Please select yes or no. Now type in the policy number and postcode you are wanting to register the claim against and hit search. If you have correctly completed the previous field, then this should fetch the policy you are looking for. If there is no policy details found, then no customer information will appear. This will need to be added manually. Ensure your policyholder's contact information is correct and up to date. Does the customer want to be updated automatically when a claim status changes? Selecting yes will prompt you to confirm how these updates will be given. Commercial property emergencies is a knockout question. Clicking yes will remove you from the new claim and provide you with a contact number for CET property emergencies for either you or the customer to call to proceed. Step 2. Here you will capture the reason for the claim. Each cause has flavor text to help you understand what each incident means. In the free text box, simply summarize what has happened. Step 3. Tell us what has happened. Selecting insured property will allow you to select the address the claim is to be registered against. Then you will need to select the type of claim you would like to register, for example, buildings, contents, or both. Depending on your selections, this will increase the amount of steps needed to complete the claim. Step 5. Steps 5 onwards may differ depending on what you have answered on the previous page. These pages are dynamic and can change depending on the loss cause and whether buildings or contents have been affected. Simply answer each question to the best of your knowledge. Depending on your answers, you may be prompted to provide more information by form of a free text box. Step 6. Here you will answer a few mandatory questions specific to the policy type. Complete accordingly. You can also upload any documents you have to support the claim. Documents can be added by simply dragging and dropping into the box or using the built-in file browser if you'd prefer to search for your document manually. Once your document is attached, select the type of file it is and add a description. You can also upload documents after the claim has been registered. Step 7. Here it will default to the main contact on the policy. If you are going to be the main contact, you can select yourself by clicking the drop-down menu. The following is an example of adding a new contact if they are not listed. If you have a specific broker reference to the case on your system, please enter this under the broker field. When adding a manual contact, you will need to tell us your relationship to the customer. For example, broker. Then, input your company name, followed by your details if you are the main contact moving forward. Place the address for your company here. Your contact information is important. Depending on your contact preferences, we may contact you by a call or directly through the online portal. If there are no bank details stored, you can add some here. If you need to amend existing bank details, you will need to complete the claim and contact RSA so these amendments can be made. Step 8. This is the final step. This will show you a high-level overview of the information recorded so far. Clicking Save and Exit will provide you with two options. You can do this at any point throughout setting up the new claim. Clicking Submit Claim will lock in your answers and provide you with a claim reference number. If a claim number begins with 001, then your claim has been submitted successfully. If it starts with 000, then this means the claim is in a draft stage and requires action by an RSA claims handler. Once done, the claim will move from a draft to to a submitted claim beginning with 001. This will update on the portal automatically and you will then be able to access it. We will also update you either by the portal or phone call once the claim has been submitted. At any time, throughout the course of logging a claim or viewing an existing claim, you will be able to start a live chat with an RSA claims handler. Unfortunately, our live chat system does not have a training environment. As such, we cannot demonstrate its full functionality, but works very similar to most chat functions you may have used in both your personal and professional experiences. Simply complete all fields required, and click Start Chat to connect to an RSA claims handler.